Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to walk you through the process of signing into your Hostinger account in 2024. Whether you're managing your Hostinger service, domains or emails, signing in is the first step. So let's get started. First of all, open the web browser on your mobile device and go to the Hostinger's official website, which is www.hostinger.com. And this will take you to Hostinger's homepage where you can manage all your services. Once you're on the homepage, click on the hamburger option, which is located on the top right corner of the screen. From here, you will be seeing an option saying login, so simply click on it. From there, you will be redirected to this login page. If you have already created your Hostinger account, enter the email and password in this checkbox and simply click on login. If you can't access your password or forgot your password, you have got different options for it as well. And the best and simplest way to log in is by using Google, Facebook or GitHub. For this, I will be using Google. And that's it. You have successfully signed in to your Hostinger account. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.